This is a true story about twa mannies fatteen up exploring and fun a great treasure. Een was the dominee of a wee squeal in White Hill, just aside New Deer. The other een was a minister at Glentork, aside Afford. Now, when I say the teen up exploring, I dinna mean they were canoeing down rivers in Alaska, or clambering over tow brigs in deepest Africa, or hunting for queer beasties in the Amazon. Na. They're exploring teen place recht for I bide in the heart of Aberdeenshire, meer nor 100 years syne. And when I say they fun a great treasure, I dinna mean goud or precious steens. Nah, it was something worth far more nor that. But let's go back to the start. At the tail end of the 19th century, over the country, the pace of life was changing. Folk were moving away from the hard life of the farms and crafties and heading into the towns to get work in the mills and factories. Now, an awful clever group of folk called the New Spalding Club jaloused that this might end up with us losing the culture of the ordinary country folk. So they asked Gavin Greig, he was the dominee I told you about, to have a look to see if the peasantry had any songs worth the catching afore they disappeared. Well, when he started asking around if anybody kent songs, he was astounded. Just about abody he speared kent songs he'd never heard afore. Farm servants, the manny that delivered his milk, the wifey in the shop, they a' had songs. Straight away, he kent this was our big a job to do himself. So he asked his old friend, James Bruce Duncan, the minister I told you about, to give him a hand. Well, it turned out that he already kent about these songs, cause his mother and father were both singers, and his brother and sister had been collecting the songs for years. So, he joined the great adventure with 400 songs to get them started. They put everything into it, cycling around and screeving the words and music for everything they got. Gavin Greig even got the local paper to join in, printing some of the songs and asking folk to send in only they kent. They got another 600 songs this way. For 10 years they wrocht at it and ended up with the treasure I told you about at the start, the best part of 3,000 songs and tunes. One of the most important collections of folk songs in the world. Songs about whaling and farming and fechting, songs about courtship and marital strife, songs about anything you can think of. If somebody sang it, they screeved it down. There were even about 200 bairns songs. And do you ken the best bit about it? There were songs for over the country, nae just ains that had originated here. But they had a thing in common. They were sung here and had been naturalised to Aberdeenshire. Now, I think you'll agree that's a treasure worth hearing, and ane we can a' share and enjoy. It's called the Greig Duncan Folk Song Collection. I hope you enjoyed my story.